Hi, welcome back to our channel Hard Reset Pro. In front of me I have DOOGEE smartphone. In this video I want to show you how to use Toolbag on this device. So on your home screen or in the application drawer you want to find this Toolbag application, and this is the application that has several digital instruments. First of all, compass. We all know what compass is. It finds north, south, east and west. Additionally, it may ask you to move your phone in figure 8 motion as it's shown on the screen to calibrate. Then there is sound meter that is designed to measure the loudness of the environment. Then there is a gradienter, for example, that checks if a surface is flat or not. So you want to place your phone flat on the surface, and if this bubble is on the center of your screen, then yes, the surface is perfectly flat, because as you can see, if I start moving my phone, the bubble will move as well. Magnifier that uses your camera and also flashlight, and it acts as a magnifying glass. Flashlight, of course, we all know what that is. And also Plumb. It is designed to measure the angle of a slope or an object. And you want to aim the camera or align the edge of your phone with the angle that you want to measure. And on your screen you will see the degrees from 0 to 180. So that is basically all with the Toolbag application on your DOOGEE smartphone. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.